What's up, guys? ClutchFan37. I'm going to bring you the Under Armour Charge Glove review. So, my initial thought of the Under Armour Charge Glove was it looks kind of cool. It's the first Under Armour glove that actually appealed to me. Didn't look like plastic or poorly made. So, talking with the Under Armour rep, and he was kind enough to send one over, so thank you for that if you're watching this. He sent over a pair, actually. We got both of them. So, initial review, when I first pulled out of the bag, it was kind of stiff and it felt bulky. I was kind of upset about that, but I mean, free gloves, you can't complain. So I was a little concerned because whenever I get lacrosse gloves or buy gloves for myself, I always get something that's thin, protective, and pretty easy to flex and move around with right out of the bag. So these were a bit of a, I guess, turn off, you'd say. But as you break them in, they actually become really comfortable. They become very flexible. My favorite part is the thumb itself. When you first get it, the thumb's very stiff, but as you break it in with a, like I said, hour or two of wall ball shooting, it becomes more flexible. So that's probably one of my favorite parts about the glove is the thumb itself. The padding on the top is a bit bulky as opposed to most gloves, but with that, you're going to get more protection. And like I said, after you break it in, it's super mobile, easy to move, super flexible too. They have all these panels that have folds in them, so you get the best flexible glove you can really in a lacrosse glove, in my opinion. These vents right here, these three, and then these two are fake, which kind of threw me off. They're just kind of for looks, but these two on the sides are real. So you get the cold air flowing in and out there. And then also, see if I can pop it out. This part right here, it folds up. So under it is a pretty nice vent, and it goes right to the back side of your hand. So when you're moving your glove, or you're like, I don't know, I guess running like this, it pops up a little bit. Gives you a bit more ventilation, especially when you're running and the air is going in there. But when you're playing and you're cradling, it's going to go back down into the glove. And when you get hit there, it's not going to do any damage to you, really. The palm itself, right here where it's gray, is a super light, I guess, suede or leather. So it gives you a very close feel to the shaft. And then right here is thicker leather pieces, and they have a texture to them that doesn't seem to be wearing off at all. And that's supposed to give you more grip on your shaft, give you I guess, more control over it. So pretty much, I highly recommend these gloves. I give them a 9 out of 10 overall. Highly interested in the newest Under Armour products coming out, the shafts, the heads. Their gloves now too, the Charge gloves are amazing. So I'm excited to see what Under Armour produces in the next couple years. If you guys want to win your own pair of these, because you can't really buy them online anymore right now, most places are sold out, check out my last video, or 2 videos ago. I'm giving away a second pair that I ordered from Lax.com, and it's coming in today or tomorrow. So, free pair of gloves. All you have to do is comment on a video, and then if you purchase anything, you get more entries into the contest. So there it is for you guys, Under Armour Charge Glove. This is the Wounded Warrior Project edition of them. Highly recommend them. Right after you get them a bag, just throw them on, play with them for an hour or two, and they're very nice. They're high-end price though. They're $179, I think, or $159 for the regular editions. So if you really want to get a new glove that's not the typical Warrior, Bryan, or STX glove, I'd try the Under Armour Charge. So that's it for you guys. Hope you enjoy. Leave a comment down below what you guys think about the Under Armour Charge and where you think Under Armour is going to go in the next couple months and the next year or two with lacrosse.